Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best knitting looms is probably one of the most versatile and accessible tools for crafters looking to create beautiful knitted items without the complexities of traditional needle knitting, offering a fantastic entry point for beginners and a fun alternative for experienced knitters to produce everything from scarves and hats to blankets and even garments with remarkable speed and ease, making it an indispensable addition to any fiber artist's toolkit. Number 5. Authentic Knitting Board Afghan Loom. Create beautiful, large blankets up to 5 feet wide in one single piece. No sewing is required, making your crafting experience effortless. This unique S-shaped loom features a rounded construction. It allows for a high stitch count without occupying excessive space. Crafted with a smooth finish and lightweight design, it's a pleasure to use. You can easily knit shawls, Afghans, and more. This complete starter package includes the loom, a knitting hook, instructions, and 3 beginner-friendly projects. Get crafting right away. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced knitter, this loom is designed for easy blanket creation. Everyone can enjoy the process. With 198 pegs, you can create Afghans up to 60 inches wide. Enjoy knitting one continuous piece without interruption. Made from high-grade plastic, this loom is built for durability and reliability. It ensures long-lasting performance for all your knitting projects. What we like. This loom is designed for creating large, seamless blankets. Its unique S-shape allows for a high stitch count without excessive bulk. If you are looking to knit cozy Afghans or large throws without any sewing, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Made sturdy. The pegs are close together, so it's hard to wrap the yarn around the pegs with your hand, so I got an yarn pen and that is much better. This is a great loom. It is sturdy and well made. I have been using it daily for almost a month now and it is holding up just fine. It's extremely durable and strong, and I haven't had any issues with pegs coming off. I have been able to use multiple different sizes of yarn, chunky included, and they all work really well. Number 4. Knitting Board Flexee Loom Link Skinny. Introducing the Knitting Board Flexee Loom Links. These innovative links allow you to create custom-sized knitting looms for any project, up to 96 pegs. With these patented links, you can snap them together to build looms of any size or shape. This means you can finally create that perfect peg count for your specific knitting needs. It's perfect for a wide range of projects, from hats and scarves to shawls, bags, home decor, and even blankets. You can make several small looms or one large one. This kit comes with 48 links, a small gauge loom for medium weight yarn, instructions, 3 projects, and all the necessary tools. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's incredibly portable, so you can take your crafting anywhere. It's also a fantastic tool for beginner knitters looking to learn and explore the world of loom knitting. Want to create even larger knits? Simply buy more sets and attach them together. The possibilities are endless with this versatile system. What we like. The beauty of this loom lies in its flexibility. You can snap together the links to create a loom of any size or shape you need. If you enjoy variety and want a loom that can adapt to various projects like hats, scarves, or even small blankets, this modular system is ideal. What people say. You can adjust the size, increasing or decreasing, basically at will, by binding off stitches and then removing the links. They're pretty easy to use, the plastic is nice and thick and seems like it'll last for a while. You can use one or a few boxes of these in place of any other loom set, and you can knit flat or in the round with them, along with being able to increase easier. Number 3. Knitting Board KB His and Her Sock Looms. Introducing the Knitting Board KB His and Her Sock Looms, a versatile 2-pack set designed for your knitting pleasure. These fine gauge looms are perfect for creating cozy socks and a variety of other small projects. Whether you're knitting for a petite or a larger adult, these looms are the ideal size. Achieve a perfect fit every time with their thoughtful design. Crafted from high-grade plastic, these looms offer a smooth and effortless experience with your yarn. Enjoy easy handling and comfortable knitting sessions. This set includes 2 sock looms, one with 56 pegs and another with 64 pegs. You'll also find a knitting loom hook and beginner-friendly instructions to get you started right away. Expand your crafting horizons beyond socks. These adaptable tools are perfect for a multitude of small projects, allowing your creativity to flourish. What we like. This set is tailor-made for knitting socks. With its fine gauge, it's perfect for creating snug-fitting socks for adults. If your main goal is to knit a variety of socks with ease, this pair of specialized looms will be your go-to tool. What people say. They are sturdy and built to last with just the right width and thickness to make the functionality of this loom easy to work with. None of the pegs have popped out. Socks looms are well made, video is very detailed, can't wait to finish my first pair of socks. They are nice, easy on the hands and fun to use. The size is perfect for most average feet width-wise. Super easy to use. Number 2. Mira HandCrafts Complete Round Knitting Loom Kit. Discover the Mira HandCrafts Complete Round Knitting Loom Kit. This all-in-one package provides everything you need to begin your knitting journey, offering great value and endless creative possibilities. It includes 4 knitting looms in various sizes, perfect for working with bulky yarns. You can create a wide range of projects, from hats to scarves, with ease. This kit also comes with 4 pom-pom makers in different sizes, allowing you to add fun and decorative touches to your creations. It's a complete set for all your crafting needs. Get started right away with comprehensive, step-by-step instructions. Both the knitting looms and pom-pom makers come with detailed guides, complete with photos, making it simple for beginners. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is ideal for anyone who loves crafting, especially knitters. It makes a wonderful present for holidays, birthdays, or just because. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. We're here to help you enjoy your crafting experience. What we like. This is an all-in-one crafting solution. You get multiple loom sizes, perfect for various projects from hats to booties, plus pom-pom makers to add extra flair. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive starter kit with everything you need to begin crafting immediately, this is an excellent option. What people say. Good quality and works great for everything. I've made tons of hats on these. Easy to learn takes time. I gotten to where I can make a hat in a couple hours. And it did take longer. Yarn type doesn't matter what size it will be. Excellent buy. Mine's lasted for years. I bought this one as a gift. I have used these type of looms for years to make hats and scarves, and they turn out great. Number 1. Leisure Arts Loom Knit Stitch Dictionary. Discover a world of knitting possibilities with this comprehensive stitch dictionary. Perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters, it's your ultimate guide to loom knitting. Explore a vast collection of unique and beautiful stitches. Each one is clearly explained, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results on your loom. Whether you're creating your first project or looking to expand your repertoire, this book offers patterns and techniques for every skill level. You'll find inspiration on every page. This dictionary is more than just a book, it's a valuable resource designed to elevate your loom knitting experience. Keep it handy for endless creative sessions. Trust in the quality and expertise of Leisure Arts. This stitch dictionary is crafted to help you achieve beautiful and lasting knitted creations. What we like. This resource is a treasure trove of stitch patterns for loom knitting. It offers a wide array of techniques and designs to elevate your projects. If you already have looms and want to expand your creative horizons with new textures and stitch combinations, this book will be an invaluable guide. What people say. It is well organized, easy to understand, and has a few stitches I haven't seen elsewhere. The pictures are so helpful, which is typically not the case with loom knitting books. This book is really not appropriate for someone who is new to loom knitting. If you're just starting out, save your money and learn online. There are countless beginner tutorials that are free and of excellent quality. A basic Google search will give you everything you need to get started and into the intermediate projects. In contrast, this is the only book I've seen that I'd say is appropriate for an experienced loom knitter. Once you have the basics, knit, purl, slip, etc., this dictionary will allow you to personalize your projects in many different ways. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.